Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making some wonton chicken tacos. Let's get started. Okay, I've already made some taco shells. I'm just going to show you how I make. Here's your wonton sheets. And you have to work pretty fast with these because you see how fast they're cooking, right? You want to take it and fold it. And you're going to have to work with it to mold it. You have to do it quickly because it's cooking, as you can see. Okay, one side, then the other. Just kind of move it around because I still want it to cook on the inside. Open up there. Now I don't have it up too very high. I have it on the medium. On the number 5. You can call it medium low or medium high. Pessimist or optimist. Okay. See, that was really simple. Tad bit browning. That's it there. So let's boil off, and we're going to put it over here with the other ones. Now I'm going to make a few. Oh, let me do another one so you can see it again. A second on one side, a second on the other. Now you want to take it and you want to mold it. Be careful too, trying to do this with this hot grease. It's not perfect, and it doesn't have to be. You just want it to hold your chicken and the other ingredients. I'm going to move it around like that. See, when I move it around, it gets on the inside and it cooks the inside more. Oh, okay. And that's enough. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this makes 5. That's plenty. Plenty for me. Okay. I'm going to set this aside and let it cool. Next, I'm going to make the slaw, and I'm using the tricolor coleslaw mix. Colors are pretty. Don't need a whole lot. I'm not going to make a whole lot. A little more. Come on. Alright. I'm going to add some dried parsley just for more color. We like pretty food, right? Yeah, we do. And some coleslaw dressing. Let's get some in there. You don't want to put too much. I don't want it to be sloppy. A little more. Come on, just a little. That should do it. Okay. I'm going to set this aside. I should let you see that because I don't want to make it too wet. Okay, I'm going to use some ground chicken. Put that over. My pan heat up a little. Let's get it in there. Wash my hands off. not going to take long at all. You know how it is when you make your tacos. You have to get all your ingredients together, and then you're good to go. You don't have to worry about preparing anything else. It's all right there. All you have to do is eat then. And that only takes a few minutes, and you're going to have some excess water. And we're going to pour that off. We don't need that. So now I have some stir-fry sauce, which is delicious. See which one I'm using? Let's get some of that in here. Get back in there. And it depends on you and how saucy you want it. Add a little bit of white pepper in there too. It smells so delicious, so good. And it is good too. Please believe me. Add a little more. I'm going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Get those flavors in that chicken. Oh yeah. Okay, it's been simmering for about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn it off. And I have some green onions. Gonna add some of those in there. Smells so good. The rest of those in there. Just see it. Okay. Let's make a couple of tacos. First we're going to add in chicken. It's a small shell, so you can't add too much. I'm going to add some slaw. I'm going to add some, I need something for it to stand up on. I'm going to add some Asian sesame. It's dressing. This is good too. Be careful not to add too much. I have some cilantro. Shake a little cilantro in there. And I'm going to make a few more, and then we're going to taste it. And just see how pretty that looks. How good that looks. Yum. So I put 4 of those together. And this is definitely a crowd pleaser. Like I say, you just put your ingredients together, put it on the table, make your taco shells in advance, and let them go for themselves. Now, I'm going to bite one of these. This one right here. Looks pretty good. See? Yes, that's really good. Anyways, thank you for watching, and remember to pray, and then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. pray. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. You bite this one more time.